Dear students, greetings to all. In this module, we'll be continuing with our ongoing chapter 6 of biology, molecular basis of inheritance. In this module, we'll be talking about mutation. We'll be discussing about the types of mutation. Mutation are sudden heritable change in the genetic material of an organism. Mutations, they could be discontinuous source of variation. The term, that is mutation, was basically coined by Hugo de Vries. De Vries had studied mutation in the plant Oenothera lamarckiana. It is a hybrid plant. This theory was given in support of Darwinism because Darwin was unable to explain the source of variations. According to de Vries, there are two types of variations in evolution: continuous variations, which are developed in every generation, and discontinuous variations that are developed by mutation suddenly. Continuous variations, they occur because of crossing over, because of the recombination during sexual reproduction. Whereas the discontinuous variation, they are because of mutations. They are both major and minor type, whereas continuous variations are minor type. The credit for discovery of mutation is also given to Morgan. He observed some white-eyed male Drosophila in a population of red-eyed Drosophila. Muller was the discoverer of induced mutations. He had induced mutation in Drosophila with the help of X-rays. Beadle and Totten, they had carried out induced mutations in Neurospora so as to study the nutritional mutation by the help of UV rays or X-rays. M.S. Swaminathan, he induced mutations in wheat with the help of gamma rays so as to obtain good varieties. Now, mutations, they are generally harmful. Sometimes they are lethal, which also leads to death of the organism. But sometimes they are beneficial, like they are used to obtain good varieties of plants, then it is referred to as mutation breeding. The mutator gene is the one which induces mutation in another gene, and mutable is the one in which mutation is induced. Muton is the smallest part of the DNA which undergoes mutation. It is a nucleotide. Now, discussing about the types of mutations. The mutations could be chromosomal or they could be gene mutations, wherein chromosomal are further subdivided. We have studied that the genetic code, it is contiguous, that is, there are no punctuations and moves on in a continuous manner. And if there are addition or deletion, that means if there is insertion of the bases or the deletion of the bases, then that would lead to the altered frame, the altered reading frame. So that would result in the formation of a faulty protein. And by this also it proves that the codon is triplet and is read in a continuous manner because the insertion of a triplet, that is a unit of 3 nucleotides, and its deletion changes the reading frame and the expression of it into polypeptide as well. Talking about the classification of the mutation, that means the chromosomal and the chromosomal mutations and the gene mutations. So when we talk about the chromosomal mutations and the gene mutations, which are the point mutation, it is also further subdivided into substitution and frame shift. The gene mutation and the chromosomal mutations, they are divided into heteroploidy and chromosomal aberration. Heteroploidy, that is change in chromosome number, and chromosomal aberration, that refers to change in structure of chromosome. So in the next module, we will be discussing in detail about the types of chromosomal mutation. Hopefully, you must have garnered the concepts related to the historical review of mutations thoroughly. Thank you.